What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon, and welcome to a video in which I wanted to do a quick prediction analysis on Dogechain. Again, it's not really an update. I analyzed this like a couple of days ago, but we already reached that price target like by far. My price target was this 0.2 cent level, which we will call 2000 in this video. It's a little bit easier. But Dogechain itself has been really bullish as well. That's not Dogechain, and that's all obviously because Dogechain is an extension of the Dogecoin community, right? And the Dogecoin itself, and it's like a layer 2 with more of an ecosystem based on that. So extra popularity for Dogecoin. Is 100% also bullish for Dogechain. Now, obviously, Dogechain has gone up a little bit more. That's because it also has a little bit more hype because it's new and stuff, and it's way easier to push up. It only has an 11 million market cap that could easily go to 100 million still in the next bull market. I don't think in this bear market that's possible, but still there's a lot of potential. But they also still have to deliver quite a bit, I think, in terms of the products they have promised to deliver. So let's get right into the analysis. Let's get right into the price analysis at least. What you can see, and let's delete this real quick. What you can see is that we have reached this major resistance level between ultimately like 2500, as I said, 0.25 cents, but we'll call that 2500. Between that and 2250. That's our main resistance level. And what we would like to see, obviously, is to break above 2,500 and get up to my price target around 2,800, which is the strongest level in this entire key resistance level between 3,000 and like 2,700. I'd say that if we would actually be able to break above 2,500, that it would be more likely to actually get to 2,800 instead of 3,000. All right, but whether this is possible largely depends, in my opinion, on Dogecoin. And obviously, a lot of the bullish momentum of Dogecoin depends on the acquisition of Twitter by Elon Musk and how that all goes. So right now, the main thing to look at if you want to know what Dogechain will do is Dogecoin. Dogecoin has dropped down to this 7.5 cent level, significant support level. Found resistance at 8 cents. If we actually do manage to hold 7.5 cents, and I made an analysis on Dogecoin, check that out if you want to at least. If we can actually hold that for the next 2 days and break above 8 cents, the moment we break above 8 cents, Dogechain is getting up to that 2,800, 3,000 level, and from there I'll do another update. That's like the no-brainer. That's definitely going to happen if Dogecoin keeps up this bullish momentum. What's more interesting though is, or what would be, it's not better, but it would be more interesting, is if Dogecoin actually drops down below 7.5 and 7.4 cents. Because then Dogechain would drop down to this level here around 1,750, and we would probably hold it and then follow the market. So if the market still remains bullish and if Dogecoin still remains quite bullish, we could still get up to 2,500, but we will not break it. All right. So the success of Dogechain really depends on if Dogecoin can get a bullish breakout. If Dogecoin remains stable, Dogechain will also drop down and to 1,700 and 1,800 at first, and then probably if Dogecoin doesn't make any moves, will also drop down to this 1,500 level. So it's very reliant on Dogecoin and what that's going to do. I still expect some bullish momentum from Dogecoin because of the whole Twitter acquisition news. So I'd say something like this, or just at least going up to that 2,800 level and to that 3,000 level is still the most likely scenario. But as I said, largely depends on market circumstances too. So just know that. So that's my take on Dogechain for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Take care and bye.